tell you how excited I am. This is the 4th annual Salute to Nurses, and we are so thrilled to be a part of this. I'm Bruce Miller, I'm editor of the Sioux City Journal. We want to say that today's event would not be possible without our sponsors, and so please give a big round of applause to our presenting sponsor, Unity Point Health Sioux City, and our traditional sponsors, Briarcliff University, Morningside University, Siouxland Community Health Center, Dune Surgical Hospital, Judy Island Cancer Center, Mercy One, and the Sioux City Journal. Please give them a big round of applause. Today we will honor 5 nurses. I would like you to meet right now what we call the class of 2022. Our first recipient is Brianna Creter, and she is a nurse at Mercy One. Our second honoree is Mercy One's Perez. Congratulations. Please welcome Judy Island Cancer Center's Deb Pierce. Our 4th honoree and the People's Choice winner is Floyd Valley Healthcare's Cerie Varenhorst. Our 5th honoree is Unity Point Health's Cassandra Veltkamp. In your questionnaire, you talked about Dr. Google. Please talk to us about how this just complicates life.
It does. A lot of times working with pediatrics is a little different than working with adults. A lot of times parents will be like, well, I looked up on Google and it said this. Is my kid going to have this or this? I'm like, well, let's not do Dr. Google because Dr. Google is not always right.
They talk about Dr. Google, so like if you learn all this information from the internet, well, think about what 4 years of school does and experience bedside, you know, like you always think the worst. Like I remember going through nursing school and every subject, so whether we're on like neuro or cardiac or something, like, oh, I think I have that. It's like, I think that's
I feel
me.
something here.
Yeah, right? It's the same as Dr. Google.
Brianna has been in the business less than 3 years, but those 3 years were probably the most trying times in the history of the profession.
Never know what to expect, but yeah.
Did they ever prepare you in school for this? Did they say, this is what it's going to be like, be ready?
No.
Beth calls nursing one of the most rewarding careers there can be. She doesn't think she could have handled all that school throws at a person if it hadn't been for her mother. His mom. Mom!
I have like my mom, my dad, you know, they don't necessarily know a ton about healthcare. That's not the profession they went into. And my mom's really squeamish, so talking about like work things with her, you know, there's like a fine line.
You need that support at home to get through those days, hard days. A lot of days are good, but you have some hard days and you need that support at home when you go home too.
Who do you say is responsible for you being able to do this?
So my mother is number one, I would say. Also my children, I think, have had a lot to do with it.
I work with so many tremendous nurses and doctors, nursing assistants, that, I mean, I am so honored to win this, and I'm so honored to know how many voted for me. I think that was kind of an embarrassment a little bit when people walked up to me, people in Cassie's.
You know, when you work at the hospital, it's a whole team. You know, it's doctors, nurses, our cleaning staff, you know, everybody supports each other, and it's a whole, just a family. I call it my Floyd Valley family. And then my family at home too.
I feel like I'm just a representation of like, you know, my whole team behind me, so, and then everyone along the way.
I worked with some of the most wonderful people in the world. These people were all instrumental in cancer care in Sioux City.
But having people that like kind of understand what you do or have worked it themselves, so like Amy Becker that's out there, she's kind of a big deal at Mercy, but that's my mother-in-law, so, you know, I'm able to like tell her stories and, you know, ask for advice, things like that.
Nursing is a very hard career, but it pays for it. No, going home knowing that you did something special, held that hand of a patient, possibly for the last time, dressed that patient, washed them up, given them the medications for that pain that they're having, just means a lot. You go at peace.
Nursing is what we do. It's our passion. Like, if you love your job, you go to work and it's not work.
Did you say, I've made the right choice, I know that I'm making the right choice, this is the career for me?
Yeah.
I made the right choice.
Well, congratulations. We are so proud of you. Well, congratulations and many, many more years of success.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank
So I hope that this does shine a light on you and on other people around you. And please let them know we really appreciate all they've done. Congratulations. Well, congratulations. We're so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is the time.